Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. All right, you guys are back again. Another unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox. We got a vehicle black box DVR full 1080p. Basically, this is a rear view mirror camera. It has the main camera, and it has a picture-in-picture that shows you what you're watching and looking at in the front of your car. It also has a small camera so you can wire up to see what's going on in the back of your car. So you know how when things happen on the road, you might see an accident, you might have an accident, or you just a vlogger, you want to get some footage in your car without having to use your cell phone, you know, mount and all that stuff. And also, this is good for if you get pulled over by the police, you can also record what's happening when you get pulled over. This one right here is a vehicle black box DVR. It's 43 on the wire, 4.3 TFT, full HD 1080p. Wide angle lens, night vision, supports a 32 gigabyte motion detector, so any motion around your vehicle, this will start recording. Cycling recording, that means it records in loops, and has a G sensor. That means if anybody breaks your glass, it will definitely start recording. So let's get this baby open up. Sit this right here, vehicle black box. Comes in a little box like that. Has a nice little paper, little stock cardboard box. Here's the main unit, but let's get into the accessories first here. First, you have your cigarette adapter here. This is the main power source. Cigarette adapter goes right into there. You know, it has a little fuse in there. And also, here is your wiring harness for your rear view camera. There's your rear view camera right there. And it hooks in. You just put two screws in it and wire it to the back, usually underneath the license plate or somewhere underneath the back of the hood. Here's your plug here. These right here are the straps that go on your actual mirror to hold it onto your normal mirror. And of course, here is the instruction book. You know, we don't read the instructions. Actually, I looked at the video to see how it all hooked up, but there's your instruction book. Shows you all that. And here, let me get this out the way. Here is your actual camera. And if you can see it, make sure I got it the right angle. You can see the little different frame here. This has like a little blue tint on it. Once you start using it, you pull that off. The back of it, you have your clips that hook right onto your existing rear view mirror. Here's the USB TFC card. You pop that out. There's your 32 gigabyte camera right there. Your rear view mirror will go right into AVN, and then your power will hook right into here, right into your USB. You run this and feed this down through your car, and you feed this down through the back, and then put your camera set up right underneath your back hood or above your tail light. These, let me take these off. These little clips you put on like that, and then you'll have this over your existing rear view mirror. And that's basically how it will hold. There's your camera right there for your front camera. And so when you have it hooked up, you'll see it just like that. Now I'm going to do another video once I get it all hooked up. And so I'm going to show you how to hook it up. And I'm going to show you how it looks in action. Power button right here. Menu button. Settings button. And you got the left and right. And then you got the OK button right here. So we're going to set this up. This is the vehicle black box DVR full 80p 1080p. All right, you guys, I'm in my car and I'm about to get this baby set up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set up the front camera, and I'm not really going to wire the back camera because I'm thinking about doing some type of delivery job, what they call it, gig, driving type of job on the side here. And if I'm if I'm driving people around, I actually want the camera that's normally in the back camera. I'm gonna mount the back camera up here somewhere where I can look into the car. So I'm gonna do, here's my regular visor here. I'm gonna mount that one, and then that's gonna be the main thing I show you, because I don't know how I'm gonna do the back camera, but I'm gonna sit that up here somewhere, because if I'm driving people around, you know, I want that camera to fit inside the car. So let's do the let's see, there's the camera. I'm gonna sit that right there for now, and see, this is the back camera right here. See, this is normally the back camera, and basically if you were doing the back camera, let me take this out. So if you guys were doing the back camera, basically the back camera, you know, it's going to be wired up here, then that's why you have all this wire. So basically you would do something similar to like wire it like down here, you know, all down here, all the way to the back, where you would probably mount it, you know, like right up here somewhere, or either right over here. So that's where you would normally do it. So I'm not gonna do the back camera, because I'm not gonna put it outside. More than likely I'll probably do the back camera. See, you can't really do it upside down. So if I'm doing some ride share, I want to make sure I get the back. So I made some kind of way, I think you could bend that. So I might just do something like that. Yeah, matter of fact, that looks good. So as long as I'm not hitting any wires up here, I may wire it something like that, so that it's pointing at this angle to the back. So if I'm you know, doing, you know, if I'm taking people around like a Uber or something like that, there. So I'm not going to do this part now, so we ain't even got to worry about that. But let me put this headset on. I'm gonna show you how you do the main mirror. All right, you guys, I've got my headset on. I've got a little attachment where I can put my little GoPro on my headset. So let me make sure I'm gonna get a couple angles. So here's the back of it. Remember I told you about these wires here. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna take that off. Put that over there. So as you can see, hope you guys can see, I'm getting a little bit of angles here. So there's a little thing. I'm gonna take that film off there, and then there's another film on here. I'm gonna wait until I get everything set up before I take that off. But basically the front camera, as you can see, make sure I can get, as you can see, I've got the regular, so I don't have any adapter there. So basically this is just gonna go on here like so. I don't think you can, no, we can't wind that. Okay, so the only thing we have to do, what I have to do is I have to just put one right here, make sure it's all the way down on there like that, put that there, and then just bring that down like that. Same thing with the other one. I've got to put that on there like that, make sure it's nice and tight, and then just bring that down, and then just clip that like so. Oh, wait a minute, I'm so silly. Wait a minute, the camera, I gotta slide it down, because the camera, see, there's the camera right there. So I've got to slide this down. Wait a second, you guys. Make sure you bring that down a little bit. And you just have to hold this like that. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. If you guys can see that, if you guys can see that real good, you see the camera on the right side there. All right, you guys, I got everything all set up. I'm gonna show you my quick little wiring setup for the main mirror. As you can see, I've got the wire going right up through here. Let me kind of come back. I got the wire coming right up through here. It goes right along here. I got it fed right here, tucked in real neat. Comes down. Put some gray duct tape right there to blend in with that. And from there, it goes right underneath here. And then I've got it right here, and then it goes right into there. So I got it tucked in real nice. So when I close the door here, you don't even see that, and then it comes up, and then it goes right there. So that's how we got that set up nice and neat. And you guys, make sure you don't forget to take the blue film off. It has a little blue piece of film on it right here. So make sure you take that off. I know that's pretty self-explanatory, but some people might say, why is it blue? Why is it blue? It's blue because you didn't take the film off of it. There we go. And it still has a little tint. So there's that. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. So there's that. And now you're all set. There's the rear view mirror. And we are set. We are ready to rock, baby. There we go. And if you can see, there's the camera. It's already started to record. Yep, it started to record. That's the front of the, that's the front right there. You got your menus here. Hey you guys, this is the Guru. I was editing the film. I just wanted to insert this short clip. It does have sound with the video. I just forgot to unmute it. It was brand new. I was checking it out, but I just forgot to unmute it. It does have sound, and it does have a battery backup. So once you turn the car off, you can set it to have that sensor around the car. So if anybody, it comes close to the car, it records, and it has a little thing for if your glass breaks, it will also start recording. So I just wanted to insert that into the clip right here. So now, I think my car, I have to have the car on. So I just turned the car on. Just turned the car on for you guys. Oh, copyright. There we go. And if you can see, there's the camera. It's already started to record. Yep, it started to record. That's the front of the, that's the front right there. You got your menus here. So it is recording there. See that? You say okay. Yeah, so now it's recording. See, there's the timer right there. Oh, here's the back camera. Oh, if you can see, if you look at it, so here's my regular mirror. Here's my regular mirror right here, so you can still see out back. The big box is the front camera. There's the front camera, and I've got the back camera in my hand, so I'm pointing the back camera. There's the back camera right there. So I can see the back of the car. Is it? It's upside down. Okay, so that's perfect then. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, that's perfect. And you see, y'all see my little attachment? Okay, that's perfect. So it goes like that. So okay, that makes it easier to mount. So okay, so yeah. I could do a little mount like that, and then that's, see right there is perfect. It's pointed right to the back of my car. So if I'm doing Uber or something, I can mount that right there. And then we got the front camera right here. So we got the front camera, everything is good. There's the lock, there's the power. So I got the power right there, so that's perfect. And you can turn it off, or you can turn it back on, just like that. So that's how you would mount it, you guys. And it's constantly recording, just like that. That's perfect. Yes, sir. All right, you guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. So make sure you guys pick this up. You know, the police stop you or anything like that, you got that covered. Oh, so you want to have your cameras in the front, in the back. Pick this up. You know, I will always have a link below. So if you want to pick that up, just hit that link below. Get yourself a rear view mirror camera, because you never know what might happen. You might need some evidence for insurance. Police might be bothering you. You get all on camera and audio. This is the Guru. I get back with you on the next one.